Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues and connecting issues on Windows 11 or 10. The steps will be same for Windows 11 or 10. So let's begin. So first step is you have to remove the existing Bluetooth devices from your system. Sometimes old devices can cause the issue. So go to devices options here and look for the devices like this and click on remove the device. Remove all the old devices from your system and also check the show notification to connect all the options. And once you remove all the devices again, just click on add device and add it and see if that is able to fix your issue or not. If still not, then we can move on to next step now. Open the services of Windows as admin and press B on your keyboard. Look for Bluetooth services here. Double click on this Bluetooth audio gateway, select it, startup type to automatic, apply, OK, and start the service. Bluetooth support service, do the same setting, apply, OK. Leave this setting as it is, manual one, restart the service one by one, and this will refresh all the settings on your Bluetooth and on your device. Okay, so you can see here we have restarted all the service. Do the same setting on your Windows and it should able to fix the issue on your Windows. But if this is also not working and somehow it is fluctuating, then we can open the control panel, then choose here the large icons as category wise, look for sound option here. And once you see the sound options here, what you can do is you can look for your wireless or Bluetooth headphone or whichever input you have, just select that option and select that to set as default. Also go to its properties, look for labels, make sure it's not muted, go to advanced, you can signal enhancement, enable audio enhancement. You can disable this, then click on apply and then click on OK. If you have misconfigured any setting on your system, then you can simply click on restore default setting on your Windows. Let's say I untick this option. If it is still not working, then you can again go to the same options, advanced, restore default. It's tick now, click on apply, click on OK and do the same setting with microphone as well. Also, if many devices are showing up here, then you can disable the unused devices from your Windows. This is step number 3. Now let's move on to step number 4, and that is device manager. Since we are on this page, open device manager, look for Bluetooth here and update the Bluetooth driver on your system. Look for all the devices related to Bluetooth, update all the devices and like this. Also make sure your Windows is up to date. Sometimes older Windows can cause many issues, so check for update and it should fix the issue now. If this is also not working, so I recommend you to install the Bluetooth driver, latest driver on your computer or laptop. Open any browser whichever you use and open the command prompt or system information here. Look for your model number, system model, open CMD, open it, type here WMIC BIOS get serial number, press enter. This is the command to get the serial number of system. You can see on the hardware as well. Type here Dell drivers, or you are using if the HP laptop, HP drivers, Go to first link and look for the laptop. These are the example of serial number on your system if command is not working. And you can see here the search. Even you can search your model number and serial number. Click on search, and by this way you will install the latest driver on your system and everything should be working. Look for this option, find a specific, then type here Bluetooth. Since we are installing the Bluetooth driver, and you can see look for latest driver. Okay, Bluetooth driver, and if you are confused which one is recommended, choose for the primary option, first option. Click on download and install this driver. Additionally, look for BIOS driver here. This is basic input output system, and this is also mandatory. And you can see this is the latest. You can look for your BIOS driver for your model number and open it and run this exe. Simply click on plug in the charger. This is the BIOS driver and this one is Bluetooth driver. Install all the drivers and your issue should be fixed. This is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.